Greetings, I hope you are fine. Today we're gonna talk about some tabs in a home menu and to continue to navigate around to know what these tabs designed for. For this section, I will continue for this example to start with the right section. You will find and replace menu. When you hit find and replace and find next, you will find any material or any data value that you have typed in. Also, you will find the second one is replace. If I typed in, let's say, dark and then press replace, it will replace the what I find with the what I will replace it with. You will find the data mirror will be replaced by dark. For this one, you can hit right click or the small arrow to hit the tabs menu below it, and you will find other options. Second one is a sort. If I press sort from A to Z, it will arrange them from A, B, C, D, arrange it downward. And if I sort it from Z to A, it arrange them in the opposite direction, from the down to the upward. Then you find and select, and the second one is sort. Sorting, it will allow you to sort the first column, and also you can apply multiple sorts. Second one is find and replace. Second one is sort Z to A. If you head to the next tab, you will find a formula. If I want to make a formula auto sum, just select and press auto sum. You can see it allow collection of sum of all the data in the columns. Second one is fill. Fill is simply to fill what you have written. If you just press it, make a copy for the first value in the column. If I hit to the next one is clear. If you hit clear, you will find multiple options. Let's say clear all. If you clear it, it clears the content and clears the design, the color of the cell, the let's say the modification you've applied to the font and the borders of the cell itself. Let's say navigate to the other options. Clear the content, clear the format only, and also clear all. If you want to clear the format, clear the content, and clear the text only, clear the format only. Then you navigate around the find, sorting, sum, fill, and clear. Let's head to format. Format row height. Format row height allow you to arrange the design of the cell itself. If I want to increase the width, the size, the length of each cell. Let's say I want to make it auto fit with the customized and transform it into wide or narrow or increase the length. You can add it manually to column width and increase according to a specific value, or you can navigate around to auto fit the column. Auto fit allow you to fit according to the length of the letters that contained inside each word. And if you want to make a specific design, you get head auto or column width or default width that the program has programmed for it. Default width will allow to make the default of the programs. If I select this cell and head to the format, navigate around to see other tabs. Let's say hide and unhide. You can hide it or unhide it. Let's head to try another options. You can hide and hide. We hide columns. Hide columns allow you to hide and show all the stuff of the column. If you navigate around to find, hide, and rename sheets, you can move or copy sheet, you can tap the color, and you can find other options like you find it at the bottom of the screen. This one is a protected sheet. If I want to protect it with a password, just type in the required password and hit press OK. Then you will re-enter the password to accept it, make it correct, and anytime you will open the sheet, you will be required to enter the same password. You can see it's protected. You can't apply any edits. You can move, you can edit. And if you want to remove it, just unprotected and type in the password. If you type in and press OK, it returns to normal. Then you can see you can apply the edits. You can hit and protect and unprotect that you all the data. You can select delete the cells. You will find delete the sheet, entire row, entire column, and drag it to the left, drag it to the right according to the option you need. You can delete the top column and drag the remaining to the left side, or you can delete the cells only. You can delete the entire row, or you can delete the cell you are selecting and moving the cursor of the mouse on. Delete the sheet column will delete all the column. And if you press Ctrl and Z to return back and try other option, let's say delete cell, delete the column, you will find the four options appearing. Shift the cells to the direction desired, right or left, top or bottom. That's all for the delete tab menu. These four options, you can delete the entire sheet also. To choose from. For this one, if you delete the entire row, the formulas will be affected. You press Ctrl and D to return back. You can see when you delete a row, you can have the option to bring the remaining cells up or bring them down, or even you can left them as they are in the same place. For this one, I will try to enter a new sheet. Also, you can right click and press to enter a new sheet. You can head to Insert menu and press the small arrow, Format or Delete to get the main tabs below it.
That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.